Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to seamlessly add online classes services to your Facebook page. Let's dive in and get your virtual classroom up and running. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it, then scroll down and select Pages. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to add online classes by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Details section. Tap on Edit next to it to make changes. Proceed by tapping on Add Services. This will enable you to include the online classes service on your page. Proceed by tapping on Add Services. This will enable you to include the online classes service on your page. Select Online Classes from the options provided, and then tap Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm your selection. Congratulations! You've successfully added online classes services to your Facebook page. Your audience can now easily access and participate in your virtual classes directly through your page. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative and that you're now ready to engage with your audience through online classes on Facebook. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and strategies.